How to make your own body cleaning wipes in an emergency situation. Basic water wipes with vinegar. Critical note on preservation: while vinegar helps, homemade, water-based solutions lack the strong chemical preservatives of commercial wipes. You must still use the wipes within 1 week and discard them if you notice any musty smell or discoloration, and put them in refrigerator if possible. Materials and ingredients: 1 roll of strong paper towels. Airtight container with a lid, 1.5 to 2 cups boiled and cooled water approx. 360 to 480 milliliters. 1 tablespoon white distilled vinegar acts as a mild preservative. pH adjustment. 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel optional, for soothing, moisture. 10 to 15 drops of essential oils optional, for scent, for example, lavender. Instructions step by step. 1. Prepare the water. Use boiled 10 minutes min and fully cooled water, see previous instructions. 2. Prepare the paper towels. Using a sharp knife, cut the roll of paper towels in half horizontally. Place 1/2 of the roll, cut side down, into your container. 3. Mix the solution. In a separate bowl or measuring jug, combine the cooled boiled water and white distilled vinegar. Stir in the aloe vera gel and essential oils if using until well combined. 4. Saturate the wipes. Slowly pour the entire solution evenly over the paper towel roll. Allow the liquid to absorb for 5 to 10 minutes. Briefly flip the container over if needed to ensure the bottom layers are saturated. 5. Remove the cardboard core. Gently remove the wet cardboard core from the center of the paper towel roll. 6. Store and use. Keep the lid tightly sealed. Put in refrigerator if it's possible. Use within 7 days.